Ooh. Very large AXOPAR. Port side seating that folds down. This one's a lot bigger than the ones we were seeing inside of the convention center. This has got plenty more room. Port and starboard hull pulled down to create these like balcony effect. And this is the interior. Huge wraparound aft sectional. I wouldn't be surprised if this all folds down and becomes like a bed of some sort. That's awesome. Smoke alarm isn't awesome, but that's cool. This is your little midship, your galley, spanning across from port to starboard. It looks like it might slide too across the floor. Little tracks there. Helm station and the entrance down into the V-berth and the living quarters. There is plenty of room down in here. Holy. I'm not sure how this centerpiece works. I guess this thing pulls out because there's room up back there. So this must come out and fill in maybe this area down here. And that's just a huge bed. Wet bath. Here's your technological cockpit, all your beautiful buttons and everything that do everything. This is awesome. This would be a sweet boat.